Pensacola Beach, one of the most flattest beaches on the Gulf Coast, my friend. It is a surfer's worst nightmare 3 months out of the year until you hear the news.
Hurricane Debby has now strengthened into a Category 1 storm.
Weekend from a Hurricane Debby, but of course 9 miles away from Hurricane Idalia made landfall almost a year ago.
Storm surge is expected. Evacuation orders have been issued for several counties in the Panhandle already. Debby rolling towards Florida.
Debby was a hurricane, made landfall this morning right around 7 o'clock.
As soon as I heard the news, I immediately got excited. I knew this was going to be something special. The group chat was blowing up. All the boys were talking. Let's get out there. It's flaring.
First waves in a month and a half, dog. Look at him.
Oh, he's on. He's got a little wonk in it. Oh.
And they're good. They're good waves. This is hurricane season, baby. And we might get 2-foot waves, 1-foot wave, but they're good. It's gonna peak at 1 a.m.
This is Hawaii 3 foot, Florida 6.
Did you say Hawaiian 3-foot?
Yeah.
It's Hawaiian like half of it. 1 more week. Local season. And I'll leave tourists off my lawn.
All these northerners.
It's like this olive. I will say the high line is like super fast, and some of them throw a little.
Oh, here we go.
wavy thing.
This is gonna be awesome. Somebody get it. Somebody get it.
Oh,
Please. To his knees.
yeah.
Begging for
Praying.
it.
Begging. And we're gonna get on it.
For everybody who says there's no surfing in Florida, what are you talking about? Old head on it. In there? What? What just happened? Oh, he freaking backed out of it. Don't you miss it, brother? Yeah! What the commitment? Do it. Not quite. Oh, no way. Go, Evans. What a good guy. He's in it. No, he's not. Oh my God. Log in. Oh, Evan just did a backflip. This guy's going. No, he's not. There's so much stuff, I just don't know what to film. Is that a tubage? Here we go. Look at this guy. Oh, wow. Oh, too hard.
seeing you out there in that Hawaii shirt.
Dude, yeah, it is the style, man.
Yeah.
All about the style points. All about the style points. What's the claim, Zane?
Claim is, I don't know, it's all right.
That's upsetting.
Hello, it's firing. Hurricane 24, Pensacola.
Back into it, come on. Pump, 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 pump. He's in there, he's in there. Do it. Oh, man. Get in there, Evans. Don't you barrel dodge. Oh, brother. Oh, I kind of got it. Go, Blake. Straight stoked. Straight stoked. Oh, don't get giddy with it. Stop it. Oh. Yeah, Zane. Oh, man. Oh, man. Yeah, that's probably what we're doing. Oh. I missed that. I missed Zane, so I was filming that guy down there. That's what matters. Oh, he made it. What's he gonna do with all that? What's he gonna do with all that? Every stinking way someone gets it. Oh, son! Oh, Blake, I'm sorry, brother. Tuck in. Oh, brother. Nope. And we're gone. Hold on. Here we go. Come on, Spence. Lay back. Yeah. Oh, man, close. Yes, sir, random guy. Get in there, dude. Get in there, dude. Oh, he's going. Make that lift. Nope, no landage. What a play, Evans. Bye, Thomas. What's the claim?
Flares.
Flares. Claim it.
Hey, the claims are mediocre surfing, epic possibilities.